Welcome back to Info Caretaker, your go-to channel for future-focused insights on AI and emerging technology. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 bold predictions about artificial intelligence that could reshape our lives by the year 2030. These aren't just wild guesses. They're grounded in expert analysis, real-world data, and current AI breakthroughs that are already in motion. Number 10. AI will replace over 1 billion jobs. By 2030, artificial intelligence is expected to replace over 1 billion jobs worldwide. From data entry clerks and customer service agents to truck drivers and even paralegals, no industry will be untouched. Companies like Amazon, Tesla, and Google are already heavily investing in full automation. AI doesn't get tired, doesn't need lunch breaks, and improves with every task it performs. And it's not just blue-collar work. White-collar jobs like accounting, journalism, and even radiology are on the chopping block. But this isn't just a story of loss. It's also a story of transformation. As AI eliminates some jobs, it will also create new roles in engineering, ethics, AI oversight, and more. The key will be retraining the global workforce to survive in this new era. Number 9. Personal AI assistants will be as common as smartphones. By 2030, your AI assistant won't just set reminders or play your favorite song. It will manage your entire digital life. Think of an AI that knows your preferences, your goals, your relationships, your habits, and uses that information to make your life more efficient, productive, and personalized. We're not talking about Siri or Alexa. We're talking about hyper-personalized digital agents, powered by advanced large language models, embedded into everything from your smart home to your AR glasses. Your assistant might suggest a better job, book your vacation, or even negotiate bills on your behalf. 24/7, completely autonomous, and shockingly accurate. This will raise serious questions about privacy, dependency, and identity, but it will also be a game changer for productivity and lifestyle. Number 8. Governments will begin regulating AI like nuclear power. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a powerful, autonomous decision maker. And with great power comes great regulation. By 2030, we'll likely see international AI regulatory frameworks similar to how we regulate nuclear weapons or pharmaceuticals. Think licensing requirements for advanced models, mandatory ethics audits, and even AI usage bans in certain sectors like autonomous weapons or biometric surveillance. In fact, Elon Musk once warned that AI is far more dangerous than nukes, a quote that's gaining more attention as AI systems become more capable and unpredictable. Expect countries like the US, China, and members of the EU to battle for influence over AI standards and control. The future of AI won't just be built in labs. It will be shaped in courtrooms and political debates. Number 7. AI-generated content will dominate the internet. By 2030, the majority of online content will be created by AI, from news articles and videos to artwork, product reviews, and even music. Right now, tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora are already churning out impressive content. But fast forward a few years, and AI will be the default content engine for most platforms. Blogs, ads, podcasts, even entire YouTube channels will be AI-generated, highly customized, and updated in real time. This raises some huge questions. What will happen to human creators? Will we be able to tell what's real anymore? Expect the rise of AI content detectors, stricter watermarking rules, and debates around copyright and intellectual property like never before. But one thing's for sure, if you're online in 2030, there's a very good chance you're consuming AI-made content without even realizing it. Number 6. AI will outperform humans in most mental tasks. By the end of the decade, AI will likely surpass human-level performance in many cognitive tasks, such as diagnosing medical conditions, writing legal briefs, coding complex software, and analyzing financial markets. Companies are already training models to pass bar exams, medical licensing tests, and top-tier university entrance exams. And some AIs are outperforming human experts. The result? A dramatic shift in how businesses hire, how schools operate, and how we value human intelligence. This doesn't mean humans will become obsolete, but we will have to redefine what it means to be smart. Emotional intelligence, ethics, creativity, and human connection may become far more valuable in a world where logic and information are handled by machines. Number 5. AI-powered healthcare will revolutionize medicine. By 2030, AI will be integrated into nearly every aspect of healthcare, from diagnosing rare diseases in seconds to personalized treatment plans based on your DNA. Imagine walking into a clinic where an AI assistant reviews your history, runs predictive analytics on your symptoms, and recommends treatments with pinpoint accuracy, all in real time. This isn't far-fetched. In fact, trials for AI diagnostics are already showing results equal to or better than trained physicians in some areas. AI will also help with drug discovery, potentially reducing the time to market from 10 years to just a few months, drastically lowering the cost of life-saving medicine. And with AI-driven mental health apps, wearable diagnostics, and even robotic surgeries, healthcare will become faster, more accurate, and more accessible, especially in underserved regions. Number 4. Deepfakes will create a crisis of trust. By 2030, deepfake technology will become so realistic that you won't be able to trust your eyes or ears unless content is verified by AI. Imagine seeing a video of a world leader declaring war or a celebrity promoting a product, and it's 100% fake. This technology will be used not just for scams and manipulation, but potentially to undermine democracy, incite panic, or blackmail individuals. That's why AI detection systems, digital watermarking, and blockchain verification will be essential tools to combat deepfakes. But even then, the psychological impact of living in a world where nothing is fully trusted could be profound. This prediction may be one of the most socially dangerous, not because of AI's power, but because of how easily it can shatter the very concept of truth. Number 3. AI will create entire virtual worlds. By 2030, AI won't just enhance video games. It will be creating entire virtual universes from scratch. Thanks to advances in generative AI, users will be able to describe a world, say, a neon-lit cyberpunk city with flying cars and underwater tunnels, and watch it come to life in seconds, with characters, physics, dialogue, and missions all procedurally generated. This will transform not just gaming, but also education, simulation training, entertainment, and even remote work. Imagine holding a business meeting in a custom-built virtual city, or walking through a 3D rendered version of your startup pitch deck. Platforms like OpenAI's Sora, NVIDIA's Omniverse, and Meta's Horizon are laying the groundwork for this immersive future. These AI-generated worlds will blur the lines between real and digital life, pushing us closer to the idea of the metaverse, but one shaped by you, not developers. Number 2. Autonomous AI agents will work for you. By the end of the decade, we'll move beyond chatbots and get our own autonomous AI agents. Digital workers who operate independently to complete complex tasks on your behalf. Need to research competitors, build a website, schedule meetings, manage your emails, and create social media content? Your AI assistant will handle it all, learning your preferences, improving over time, and integrating seamlessly with your digital life. Think of this as having a virtual CEO, personal assistant, marketer, and analyst, all rolled into one. Tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and OpenAI's memory-enabled agents are the prototypes of what's coming. This will democratize productivity and entrepreneurship. People with no technical skills will be able to launch businesses, build apps, and scale operations, all powered by intelligent agents working behind the scenes. Number 1. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, may arrive or be closer than we think. Finally, the biggest and most mind-blowing prediction. By 2030, we may witness the arrival, or at least the clear emergence, of artificial general intelligence. Unlike today's narrow AI systems that excel at specific tasks, AGI would have the ability to learn, reason, and solve problems across a wide range of domains, just like a human. And while some experts believe AGI is decades away, others argue it could emerge sooner than expected due to exponential improvements in data, compute power, and model architecture. But with AGI comes both unparalleled opportunity and existential risk. As Elon Musk once warned, "With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You can't control it once it's out." And in 2023, he reiterated the danger, saying, "There is some chance above zero that AI will kill us all. I think it's low, but not impossible." That's why governments, researchers, and companies are urgently pushing for alignment, ethics, and safety measures to make sure the power of AGI doesn't spiral beyond our control. AI is evolving faster than any of us expected. By 2030, it will touch every aspect of our lives, from how we work and learn to how we trust, create, and even think. Whether it's building entire worlds, diagnosing illnesses, or challenging our understanding of reality, AI isn't just another technological shift. It's a fundamental rewriting of human potential. But with great power comes great responsibility. The choices we make today will shape how AI evolves, and whether it becomes our greatest tool or our biggest threat. So what do you think? Are you excited or terrified about the future of AI? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence and emerging tech. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.